Hi, welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be trouble. Alright, so let's see what kind of trouble we got into today. Alright, so a couple of things before I get started. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We do lots of fun stuff here. We do unboxings, and sometimes I actually get on camera and do a look, and that's a laugh, so you should watch. Go ahead and give my video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your day is going, and all of that good stuff. And second, if you hear something in the background, it is Jessicavargus. Her channel is Makeup with Jessicavargus. I'm on her live. I'll leave her link below. Go check her out. She's awesome. Alright, so today, the trouble we are getting into is I got my LiveGlam Morphe Brush Subscription. And I'm trying to drop stuff already. Alright, and this is the card. And it says, Scoop It Is, August 2020. And this is the back where it tells us all about all of the brushes. And this month, we got the Morphe All I Want collection. And that is the back of the little sleeve there. And this month it came with a little bag. And inside we have the brushes. Alright, so the first brush we got is the M158 double-sided angle brush plus spoolie. Alright, and the card says, like 2 scoops of ice cream, this brush is double the fun. This brush is a must for bold brows and perfect winged liner. I could have used this earlier, because the liner I put on, yeah, those sad wings. Alright. Then next we have the M210 small chisel brush. Alright, and it says, if you're in need of a detailing brush that fits perfectly in the hard to reach places, look no further. This brush is perfect for your lash line and cut crease work. Nice. Alright, and then next up we have the M213 smudge brush. Alright. The M213 smudge brush. The soft bristles on this brush are perfect for smoking out that lash line and diffusing color. These don't have any numbers on them, but the pictures are coming in handy, so. Alright, and then we have the M411 tapered crease brush. Alright. M411 tapered crease brush. Get a seamless blend in your crease with this tapered brush. That is a lot of information. All right. And then we have the M432 line definer brush. There we go. All right. The cherry on top, this brush will get you that precise eyeliner application to complete your glam. Nice. I have a cat hair somewhere on my face. The joy of having cats. All right. And next we have a brush I dropped. All right. 1 second. I'm back. All right. So this is the M433 Firm Blender Brush. This brush has the perfect amount of fullness and firmness to create seamless transitions between colors. All right. And then last, we have the R14 Round Contour Brush. All right. The Neapolitan ice cream of brushes, this perfectly domed round brush works wonders for diffusing and evenly applying contour, powder, and blush. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the brushes that we got this month. So this is $19.99 a month, and you don't always get this amount of brushes, but they do guarantee a specific value, and for the life of me, I cannot remember the value that you're guaranteed. I do feel like I have gotten my money back, though. I'm rather enjoying this brush subscription. I can talk. I'm rather enjoying it, and I can't wait to see what they have next month. Not only do they have the information on the card, but you can go online to their website and they have the excuse me, 1 second. They have little videos and stuff showing you how to use each brush. So I actually really enjoy this. I will leave the link for the subscription in the description box. If you use my link, it gives me points. I then can use those points to get more brushes. I don't make any money off of it or anything. But yeah, so that is it for today. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.